Today we're making a classic comfort food dish. Made with tuna and peas in a creamy bechamel sauce and served over crisp toast, this budget-friendly recipe comes together quickly for a simple yet satisfying meal. So if that sounds good to you, keep watching and let's get right into it. In a medium saucepan, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and mix until well combined. Pour in 4 cups of milk and simmer until thickened, stirring frequently. Add 2 cans of drained tuna, 1 cup of peas, salt and pepper and mix until well combined. Simmer and stir for 2 to 3 minutes until warmed through. You can then serve on toasted bread and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, why not give this video a like? And if you feel like it, subscribe to the channel for more easy, delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.